How to fix notes on Instagram not showing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix if Instagram notes is not showing up, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open up Instagram, you go to the DMs page, you should be able to find Instagram notes. But in case you're not being able to find Instagram notes, all you have to do is open up settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, just look for the Instagram app over here, and then once you just look for the Instagram app icon, tap on offload app, tap on OK. Now once you tap on offload app, you have to reinstall the app, so just tap on the reinstall button over here. And then once you tap on the reinstall button, your application is going to get successfully reinstalled. And then once you reinstall it, if that doesn't help, open up App Store and then just search for the Instagram app. Once you search for Instagram, just tap on it and then just look for the update. If you see an update button next to Instagram app, just update it in order to update the app to the latest version. Now most likely if you open up Instagram and then you tap on the DMs page, you should be able to find a notes icon. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.